All right, let's go through the entire heart inside and out all at one time. So anterior surface, here we go. Left atrium, pulmonary artery, arch of aorta, brachiocephalic, right atrium, superior, where are you? Superior vena cava, and inferior, so superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. And then this one also has the pulmonary vein going into the left atrium. The layer here is the epicardium, and in this opening right here we can see the pulmonary valve. On the inside, this is the myocardium. Inside the chambers is endocardium. I have a right ventricle, left ventricle, interventricular septum. Here's the right atrioventricular or tricuspid valve, left atrioventricular or mitral or bicuspid valve. Both of those have chordae tendineae attached to papillary muscles, and there is your aortic valve. Up here we can see the left atrium, and here you can see the right atrium above the right ventricle.